Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar and to a nice song here from Bashy. Strong song called How Black Men Lose Their Smile. Alright, so you couldn't ask for more heart and intensity here from Mr. Bashy than this song here. So we're gonna look at it without any capo. It's clean here. We have only 3 chords and 1 string pattern. So yeah, this will be fast. Let's go over the chords starting with A minor. All right, so that goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. Next chord is G, and that goes third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. And the final chord is E minor. And that goes open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. So we're gonna look at the strumming pattern now, starting with A minor, and 1 string around will be like this. Okay, so that is down, down, up, clap, down. So down, down, up, clap, down, and a couple of rounds goes like this. And you're gonna play A minor, 1 string around, G, 1 string around, and E minor, 2 string rounds. From the beginning till the end, that's how you do it, like this. That's how you do it. Bashy's How Black Men Lose Their Smile. Okay, so thank you for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, play tuned.